To build steps in a fill wall or raised patio, start by installing and leveling a base course on top of a compacted leveling pad. Use either base units or wall units. Level the entire area of the steps. For a 90-degree wall application, establish the corner with wall units, as per design. Move landing step unit into position, next to the 90-degree corner. Place adjacent units to create the proper width of your step. Behind the first riser, place wall units on the base pad to support the second step. Fill voids with aggregate. Clean debris from the top of the step. Place the next step and adjust to final position. Continue placing units until you reach the desired height. For a curved wall, build your wall into the step units and cut wall units as needed for a finished look. Finish with caps and glue all units. Place additional landing step units as needed.